Annie.
And I'm Kathy, and we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
And we're going to show and talk a little bit about coconut. Coconut oil is an amazing oil base that can be used in our skin products, in our just moisturizing for skin and in
Cleansing too.
Yeah, very, very good.
So we'll show you a few ways that we use it. So coconut oil comes in, I have just a little jar that I refill, but just to show you, it kind of looks like that. And you can put it in your herbal teas, your salad dressings, and it's a fat that actually metabolizes as energy instead of stored as fat in your body. Just make sure when you are buying coconut oil to make sure it is cold pressed and unrefined.
Yeah, so organic.
Yeah, if you can. So we have 3 different products, and we make them kind of like a treat products that we make with coconut oil.
So first of all, we're going to show it's based with coconut and cocoa. And so we can add a little bit of sweetener to that.
Sweetener of choice. We use stevia. You can use honey. Honey does give it a little bit of a chewier effect. And we put a little bit of essential oil of peppermint too in there.
Yeah, so sometimes orange or peppermint or whatever you want that base to be, but they're so tasty. So
it's just coconut oil fudge. It's delicious.
So it is great.
Next is we take coconut milk just in the canned coconut milk. We added a little bit of cocoa and stevia to this. And this is like a chocolate pudding. It's actually really good. And you just mix the cocoa and sweetener of choice together with the coconut milk, put it in your fridge, and it thickens just like a pudding, as you could see here. And it's really good.
That is amazing. And you can put a little bit of a whipped cream topping on it just to
It's
add
really
to
light
it.
and fluffy as is, just whippy.
Now, the third product that we made was ice cream. We made ice cream out of the coconut cream.
The same one that we did this with.
And then we put a bit of guar gum, mix that in. And then
you can get that at most health food stores. It's just like a thickening agent, and it like thickens and jellifies a little.
So guar gum and xanthan gum are both products that help to thicken a product. But this right here is really nice. And you put lemon oil.
I did put lemon oil in there. And it's like ice cream. It kind of has, it's really good. It's like a healthy coconut ice cream.
It is good.
I know it is. I love that. And it's so refreshing and light, but you can really add any flavoring you want. Sometimes I'll even add strawberries and bananas, and the bananas really makes it kind of have a nice creamy feel to the ice cream.
And it was really easy. We didn't have to put it in a blender or anything like that. We just brought the coconut, put the guar gum in there, and stirred it up. Kept whisking it.
What I've done as well is you can also take some of our freeze-dried fruit, blend it into a powder, and add that so you have any flavored ice cream you want. So we just want to share with you a few coconut ideas of how we use it, and I hope you guys can give them a try.
So share,
like, and follow.